After you log on, your account summary page comes up. Once there, click Hold Requests in the left-hand column. Now you can see all the holds on your account. To freeze an item, click the checkbox to the left of that item. You might want to do this if you're going on vacation or don't want to lose your place in line, or your book group wants to read a title but not right away. You will not lose your hold on the item, but other patrons will be able to move ahead of you on the hold list. Scroll down to the end of your hold lists and click Freeze, Unfreeze. In the box provided, type in the date you would like to have your item returned to the active holds list. In other words, to unfreeze your hold. Click Submit and click OK. To unfreeze the hold, return to the hold request page and click the checkbox next to the hold. Again, click the Freeze, Unfreeze Selected button. Type in today's date to reactivate the hold today, and click Submit. And then click OK. Your item is now unfrozen and back on the hold list. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thanks for watching.